Hello, my name is Louis Rutman. I am an English teacher here and I have worked at MPTC for 3 months. I am from England. And first I would just like to say thank you so much for having me. To everyone here. I have had a great time. I have met so many people, so many lovely people. I have learned so many things about life, about education, about teaching, about Madagascar, and even about the world. I think Madagascar is a very beautiful place. The nature is stunning, breathtaking. Tana is a very nice city. There is so much to do. The weather is amazing, the food is great. I would highly recommend it to anyone who wants to come to Tana or to Madagascar. I think, to be honest, I am sad to leave. And also, I have been impacted greatly by my students and the people here, and I hope I have impacted and improved the lives of my students. Finally, I would like to thank Mr. Ramil, the director of the school, for giving me the opportunity to come here and teach English, as well as Miss Sue, Vanina and the admin team, Joanna, Miss Nadia for teaching me, Mr. Hadza for driving me around, and all of my friends and the teachers in this school. You have been very welcoming. Thank you so much.